Hey friends, welcome to Social Videos. My name is Joan and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make your very own DIY stickers. Now I feel like stickers lately have become quite the trend and I'm here to teach you guys how to make it with only tape, parchment paper, and that's basically it. This was honestly easier than I thought it would be and it turned out beautifully. These stickers last pretty long as packaging tape usually lasts. And again, you get to make your own designs or any stickers that you'd like. Literally anything. It's crazy. Valentine's Day is coming soon, so my plan is to make some stickers for my little Valentine's Day gift along with another special surprise as well. And with that, let's just get started on the tutorial. So firstly, we're gonna start off by designing our stickers. Now this is totally up to you. I just took a drawing app on my iPad and drew whatever designs I wanted for my stickers, but you could basically do anything. I've seen aesthetic designs to even Spotify stickers. If you are planning on drawing these stickers digitally like I am, make sure you color them in properly and that you have a colored printer, as we're gonna need to print all of our stickers out. Also peep the planet inspired by the planet wallpaper TikTok trend as a sticker. When you're done designing your stickers, we're basically gonna print that out, make sure you're okay with the sizing and everything. And don't worry if you don't have a printer, you can also just draw your own designs on paper. So here I'm doing just this cute little panda drawing and I'm also fine lining it with black. Once we physically have all of our designs, we're gonna need some parchment or wax paper, along with some clear packing tape, the ones you use on cardboard boxes, and don't forget your scissors. Then we're just gonna basically cut out all of our designs. Now you could cut right up to the edge of your design, or I just left a white border just because I thought it looked nicer. Feel free to trim your design if need be, as long as you're happy with it, as that's what the sticker is going to end up looking like.
There's obstacle for now. We're not like in a expensive general store. Hey, I guess that's you.
I feel crusty and I finally...
You guys is 10:40.
Alright, so while I cut these stickers out, let me tell you a bit about what my plan is for the whole Valentine's Day gift giving thing. So, newsflash, I actually don't have a boyfriend or girlfriend to give a Valentine's Day present to, but I do have girlfriends, or friends. I feel like Valentine's Day is always considered like Hallmark holiday or whatever, but I believe it's just a day of love, of whatever kind of love you want to show. So my plan is not only giving these stickers, but giving an Ana Luisa bracelet that I found that looks absolutely amazing. It's so cute and caught my eye immediately, and I think it would just pair really nicely. They got some stickers that are kind of handmade part of the gift, and also a nice bracelet they can wear and remember me by. Now you guys have probably heard me mention Ana Luisa a bunch on my videos, which as you should, because they are literally one of my most favorite jewelry places ever. They literally have some of the cutest aesthetic jewelry I've ever seen. And honestly, a majority of my pieces are from them. Literally this little ear cuff I'm wearing right now and this ring that I've been obsessed with lately. Now I'm planning on gifting one of their bracelets along with these stickers as kind of my Valentine's Day gift. And if you're looking to get a gift for your significant other or for someone you love, I'd highly recommend getting a piece of Ana Luisa jewelry for them. And if you're interested in checking it out, there's a link down in the description for you guys below. They've got sales running for up to like 40% off, which is a pretty good deal, and again, perfect for Valentine's Day if you're getting them a gift. And like me, you can pair it with these stickers, which, oh my gosh, they're turning out really nice. I'm kind of excited. I can guarantee that whoever is getting your gift is going to absolutely love it. Their pieces are super cute, super trendy, can match really well with each other and other outfits, and they've also offer speedy delivery worldwide. Also look, These are turning out so cute. Oh my goodness. They've got a large selection of jewelry to choose from, whether your person likes earrings, necklaces, rings, and their stuff is super high quality as well. They've also got a wide price range, so you don't have to break the bank getting something really nice for your person, or you know, you can splurge a bit and treat them for Valentine's Day. If you guys want to make sure you don't miss out on any sales or want to see some pieces, make sure to follow them on Insta or sign up for their newsletter. Another great thing about them is that they're also a sustainable brand, so they make jewelry in limited batches and make sure that they don't leave as big of a carbon footprint. I think that's really thoughtful of them. Saving the earth, you know? Again, I highly recommend checking them out, whether you want to get a gift for yourself or for someone else for this lovely Valentine's Day. And speaking of which, I think we're basically wrapping up on the stickers. So let's get those all cut up and we can start on the actual sticker portion. So with your parchment paper, we're gonna only work with a few stickers at a time, smaller area the better, and you're gonna cut out a piece for your stickers. Next, we're gonna take some of our packing tape and tape it directly over the parchment paper. Now the key thing here is making sure that when you're taping down the paper, the tape itself is not wrinkled. It can be a struggle to getting used to because obviously the tape's sticky, but just adjust it if you need to, rip it off and tape it back down again. Now you want to keep putting down strips of tape until you've basically covered the whole piece of parchment paper, and make sure that the tape overlaps each other. It doesn't have to overlap a lot, but it just has to at least a little bit. Then you're going to take your sticker designs and put them on the tape. Make sure that they're spaced out accordingly so you can cut around them, and you're going to put another layer on top. Once again, make sure that the tape has no wrinkles and that it's perfectly smooth going on top of your sticker. And again, keep overlapping those pieces of tape so that they tape down the stickers. In the end, just make sure that there is tape covering not just the sticker, but the area around it as well. With that done, make sure that the tape is fully taped on, especially around the edges of the sticker, and then we're gonna peel the thing right off. And finally, we're gonna cut out our sticker. Now make sure when you're cutting that there's a little bit of space in between where you're cutting and the edge of the sticker. Otherwise, this is not going to work. And with that, you are basically done. Now you can see that there's a backing cover, which is the parchment paper, and the sticker is going to stick like a sticker. Once again, make sure you leave an edge around your sticker. It's going to end up clear, so don't worry about that edge showing. It just needs to work for the sticker to actually stick together. Now all these steps also apply to the handwritten sticker designs as well. Once again, make sure you have parchment paper that can fit your sticker design. We're gonna get that packing tape, tape it nice and smooth over the parchment paper. Place our design on top and put another strip of tape on top of the design and the previously taped portion. We're gonna cut out the sticker, leaving an edge between where we're cutting and the sticker itself, and then voila, there's your sticker. Some extra little tips. I realized halfway throughout the video that it seemed to be easier if you pre-cut your strips first and not keep it on the roll as I did. And also when you put tape over your design, sometimes it will rip out the ink that's already there, as you can see here. So just make sure there's no residue on the tape when you're putting it on top of the design. If the tape that you're putting on top of the design isn't clear, that is going to show on the sticker. And this method is really awesome because again, not only can you design your own, but you can also make it with any sticker size. So here I've got a bigger kind of Valentine's Day themed pun sticker, and it works just as well. Now, you can get pretty creative with what kind of stickers you want to make. I saw this one inspired by TikTok, where I basically printed out a Spotify code along with the album or song cover and turned it into a sticker. This is super cool if you have just that song or album you're totally obsessed with, and the Spotify code on it works as well. And just to show you guys that these stickers work, right here I have a finished one. I'm gonna peel off the backing, which is gonna be the parchment paper. Peel that off, you're gonna feel that it's gonna be sticky on the other side, and there you go, that's your sticker. What's even greater about this DIY is that we can actually reuse our parchment paper backings. So here I'm making another Yakult sticker using the same backing that I just peeled off, and it's gonna fit perfectly. We're just doing the same taping process all over again. The only change here would be making sure that you cut a bit of the parchment paper off, but there you go, another sticker. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If again you're still looking for that Valentine's Day gift, there's a link down in the description below for Ana Luisa Jewelry. Again, I'd highly recommend checking them out. Their stuff is honestly perfect for a Valentine's Day gift. And now before we say goodbye, Mr. Minecraft B says to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you don't do it, he's gonna be mad and sting you, and we don't want that. But other than that, I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Bye! Thank you.